qoptics loupes are water resistant, and the optical seals are guaranteed for the lifetime of your product. It's recommended you rinse your loupes first before wiping down. Remove your headlight if you have one mounted to your frame, and rinse your loupes in room temperature running water. If desired, you can also apply a mild non-abrasive soap. Wash gently without scrubbing with your lens cleaning cloth or other 100% cotton material, then rinse. Wipe the excess water off with a dry microfiber cloth. Then remove spotting or streaks by applying the optical spray either directly to the lenses themselves or to a microfiber cloth. Then wipe down your loupes. Cavicide or Birex can also be used for disinfecting and are safe to use on your loupes. If using disinfecting wipes, you can choose to wring out the excess solution onto your lenses, then wipe with a lens cloth. But no adverse conditions have been noted by using disinfecting wipes themselves, and it's just a matter of preference which method is used. No matter which way you use, allow the solution to sit and disinfect before wiping it clean. Once you've thoroughly cleaned or disinfected your loupes, be sure all the excess liquid or streaking is removed with your microfiber lint-free cloth over all of the surfaces, including the frame and temple arms. Wash or replace the microfiber cleaning cloth periodically to avoid scratching your lenses. Steer clear of using paper towels or tissues, or other paper-based wipes, as they can also cause scratches. Never attempt to sterilize by any method. Never soak your loupes in any solution, not even water. And never place your loupes in an ultrasonic cleaner. To preserve the longevity of your loupes, it is best to store them properly while not in use. Place your loupes back in their case to prevent accidents that might damage the lenses, telescopes, or frame. Please don't store other items in the case where they might affect your loupes. Added pressure could stress the frame or scopes, and loose items could potentially score the glass. Thanks for watching. For more videos about your qoptics loupes, subscribe to our channel.